Hello my crafty friends, I'm here with a video hack for you. I bought this set of colours from the internet and it cost me £19.55, and they're actually, if I just get one out, so I'm struggling with the one hand, if I can just grab one, any one will do, and you can see they're actually dual ended. That one has a brush tip, so it's like a little bit like the Zig Clean Colours or the, what's the other one? Arteza. And then on the other side, it's a really fine tip. And I was just doing this project for my friend who's having a baby. So it's due anytime she wants to be in front. And I was making her a card. And I just thought, I wonder if this thin tip will fit in my machine. And as you can see, I've done blue, pink and yellow. And I'm just about to do the green. And as you can see, with this pen holder that I got from, now, I don't know where, it's somewhere online. They do printable things of these. I can leave a link when I've researched what it was, but I've only just decided to jump on and show you this because in this box there are 100 different colours. If you see, there's all pinks here, greens, purples and blues are at the bottom, so you get every possible colour you could imagine, and they're absolutely brilliant. So here goes, we'll set it drawing for green. Now what I did find is when you've got this on, it does say it's not the appropriate holder, but if you just say okay and override it, it does it whether or not. I'm using my Spiffy Speckles paper from Lawn Fawn because it does nice pastel shades for my elephant, and I will show you the finished card when I post this one up on Facebook. But I just thought you'd be interested to see just how well that fine tip draws. And if you look, so it will be great for sentiment, drawing, fills, etc. I know it's going to be probably difficult to hear me over the noise now, but like I said, it's drawn it perfectly. And they're water-based, so you could actually get the black one, a dark one, to draw out for you. And you could use your alcohol markers because it's the opposite. So I just thought I'd jump on and show you that, and I will show you the finished card when it's finished. I hope you'll enjoy looking for that one. All right, so just a quick video from me. I hope you've enjoyed it and I hope it's useful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.